In this video, we will learn how to customize font theme in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the page layout tab. And here in themes group have a fonts option. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the customize fonts. Here the create new theme fonts dialog box is open. Now you can select your own theme. Okay, so for Latin text you can select first heading font. So I select here the one heading font, and body font for Latin just select those you want. I select this one. You can see in sample the preview, and the complex scripts I select here the one heading font. So I select this one and I select different one, and you can see the preview here same as the body font. Select those you want. Okay, see here in sample the preview of your font, selected font. Okay, now you can rename these custom fonts also. So I just rename here the my font. Okay, and I just click on save. Now you can see the changes on your Excel. The font is changed. Again go to the page layout. In font option just click on this drop down arrow. You can see here the my font is selected. If you don't want this, just deselect and select the different one. Okay, and you can see the changes on your data font. Okay, so this is a way you can create your own font, and you can use and you can apply anytime in your data if you want the different and font. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.